Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and as I'm getting older, I'm starting to say some really bad dad jokes. And I'm just embracing it. That's why I got this book, Dad Jokes: The Good, the Bad, the Terrible. It has more than 600 of the typical dad jokes, those bad, super corny jokes that as a kid I used to hate, but now I find myself telling them. I find that these jokes make my wife roll her eyes, but the same jokes are pretty popular and funny to my grandma and some older fellas. The jokes are divided in different subjects like food, geography, animals, and more, which makes it very easy to find a specific joke. The quality of the book and the size of the print makes it a great gift for any dad or grandpa out there. So, if you want people to roll their eyes when you tell jokes, this is the book for you. And that is my point of view.